Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to our 30-day dance challenge day 6. I teach you a combination every single day leading up to the end of the year. After 30 days, you are going to have 30 beautiful combinations, but also a full routine. So if you haven't checked out the previous videos, please go and watch them. And today we are dancing to the melody and it's going to be really, really beautiful. So for this one, we're doing a little hip circle. And you can choose which direction you go. See if you feel more comfortable going this way or this way. And then to make it a bit more interesting, we're just doing a little wave with our hand. So it's similar to our snake arm, which we did the other day, coming around with the shoulder. But today it's just through the elbow and the hand and the fingers. So just try that. It's framing your hip. It's not all the way up here or all the way down here. Just framing your hip. Other side, nice and soft. The other hand can just hold. Let's try it with our circles. Beautiful. It's a simple move, but it looks really lovely. Now, if you have a favorite song, practice doing this to the melody. Whenever there is a note or someone sings, or it might be instrumental as well, you're doing one hip circle. So if they're talking really fast or singing really fast, you might do really fast hip circles. And then if they're staying on the same note for a long time, you might slow it down. Remember, you can go whichever direction feels better for you. So from here, we've just done our beautiful hip circles, and then we're doing 4 hip circles, but we're turning to the corner. So the torso turns. You can see my feet stay pretty much on the same spot, but I'm turning my body. Just loosen up, try it. That's it. Our hands are down, and we've got 4 circles this way. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 4 circles coming to center. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, it doesn't matter which way your circles go, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Then the other side, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in our little combination, we've got 2 sets of these ones with the melody, and then we're turning 4 to this side and center, and then the second time, same side, but we bring our arms up and come in. Let's try it. We've got circles with the melody. You can do it to any song you like, just practice. And again. Good. 4 to the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Hands float. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is our combination. This is a really nice one, especially if you are dancing in a big crowded venue and you want to bring the energy down, but you kind of want to see what's over there. You can do this one really beautifully. Same if you want to bring your energy down and dance with the melody and do something really emotive. You can even hold one hand here, really connect with yourself. And then looking up to your audience. Yeah, beautiful job. So that is our combination for today. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and have a beautiful day. I will see you tomorrow where we are going to learn our 7th combination and bring it together in the choreography with music. I'll see you then. Bye.